Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, where we demonstrate in a video pieces of china that we're listing, because we think that gives you far more information and detail about the quality and condition and size and shape. Just gives you a better feel for what you're looking at on a website. This is Duchess Westminster, pattern number 560 in the Duchess catalogue, made during the 70s and 80s, and it's a very striking, almost I struggle to describe this one and the elements of it because it's pretty unique, really. It's sort of a little bit of Imari, a little bit of high emporial, a little bit of Art Deco, a little bit of Art Nouveau. It's got everything in there. I don't really know what it is. It's just a stylized floral and blockwork pattern with these sort of almost garland motifs and that very unnatural looking orange and white rose with the dots behind it in this section and the little drop garlands. It works. It's really nice. It's a very striking pattern, the combination of that orange, green, yellow and cobalt blue with the high gilt detailing. This is a eared, handled round Cape Pate scalloped rim. All the dimensions and measurements will be on the website. Let's show you the china mark. There we go. Beautifully marked, this entire set. Duchess Westminster 560. Duchess didn't use pattern names for absolutely every piece of china or line that they ran, but Westminster was obviously given that name for marketing. You're doing well with Duchess if you can find the 3-digit number on most of their patterns, because they produce such a large quantity and still are producing fine bone china or porcelain china in England to this day. So a lovely Cape plate. It finishes off the set that we've been listing recently with milk jug, sugar basin, 6 trios of teacups, saucer and side plate, and that beautiful little 1.5-inch teapot, 1.5 pint teapot that we've just videoed and is available from the website. So if you follow the link descriptions below, it'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. Details of this Cape plate and the other pieces of Duchess Westminster china can be found there. Thanks for watching.